that Mompreneur's Guide to Financial Freedom. Hey there, amazing mompreneurs. Are you constantly juggling business calls, school pickups, dinner prep, and still dreaming of a life where money isn't a constant worry? If you're nodding your head, you're in the right place. I know firsthand the unique challenges and incredible rewards of being a mompreneur. We're building empires, raising families, and often doing it all on very little sleep. But what if I told you that financial freedom isn't just a distant dream but an achievable reality for you? It's not about being a millionaire overnight, but about having the choices, the security, and the peace of mind to live life on your terms, personally and professionally. In this video, we will dive deep into how you as a mompreneur can chart your course to true financial freedom. So grab a cup of coffee or wine, no judgment here. And let's get started. Mindset shift from scarcity to abundance. Our journey to financial freedom begins not with a budget spreadsheet but with our mindset. How many of us have grown up believing that money is scarce, or that being wealthy is somehow selfish? These limiting beliefs can unconsciously sabotage our efforts. As mompreneurs, we often put everyone else first, and that includes our finances. We might feel guilty investing in ourselves or our business, or even charging what we're truly worth. It's time to flip that script. Financial freedom isn't about greed. It's about creating a life of abundance, not just for yourself but for your family and the impact you want to make in the world. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and earn. Value your skills, your time, and the unique perspective you bring as a mompreneur. When you truly believe you are worthy of financial success, you open the door for it to enter your life. Strategic business building for profitability. Now let's talk business. Your business. To achieve financial freedom, your business needs to be a profit-generating machine, not just a passion project. The first step is clarity. Who are you serving and what unique problem are you solving? Nailing down your niche and understanding your ideal client is paramount. This allows you to create high-value products or services that people are eager to pay for. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Many mompreneurs underprice their offerings, fearing they won't get clients. But remember, value attracts value. Implement smart pricing strategies that reflect your expertise and the results you deliver. And here's a game changer: automation and delegation. You can't do it all, nor should you. Identify tasks that can be automated with tools or delegated to a virtual assistant. Free up your precious time to focus on income-generating activities and strategic growth. Scaling your business isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Smart money management and budgeting. Once the money starts flowing in, managing it wisely is crucial. This is where many entrepreneurs, especially mompreneurs, can get tripped up. The golden rule: separate your business and personal finances. Get a dedicated business bank account and credit card. This simplifies tracking taxes and gives you a clear picture of your business's health. Next, track everything. Every dollar in, every dollar out. Use simple accounting software or even a good old-fashioned spreadsheet. This isn't about restriction. It's about awareness and control. Create a realistic budget that supports both your business growth and your family's needs. Understand your fixed and variable expenses. And please prioritize building an emergency fund. Life as a mompreneur can be unpredictable, and having a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, both personal and business, provides immense peace of mind. Remember, a budget is a plan for your money, not a straitjacket. Diversifying income streams. Relying on a single income stream, even a successful one, can be risky. True financial freedom comes from diversification. Think beyond your primary business offering. Can you create passive income streams? This could be anything from digital products like ebooks or templates, to affiliate marketing where you earn commissions by promoting products you love, or even creating online courses that leverage your expertise. These streams can generate income even when you're not actively working, giving you more time and flexibility. And don't forget about investing for the future. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time. Think about retirement accounts or even a college fund for your children. The goal is to build multiple revenue channels that create a robust financial ecosystem around you. Time management and productivity hacks for busy moms. Time is our most precious commodity, especially as mompreneurs. It often feels like there's never enough of it. But effective time management isn't about finding more hours in the day. It's about making the most of the hours you have. Embrace strategies like batching tasks, dedicating specific blocks of time to similar activities like content creation or client calls. Use time blocking to schedule your day, treating your business tasks like important appointments. Learn to prioritize ruthlessly. What absolutely must get done today to move the needle forward? What can wait or even be eliminated? And here's a big one: set boundaries. The idea of work-life balance can be misleading. Instead, aim for work-life integration. This means finding ways for your work and personal life to coexist harmoniously, rather than trying to keep them rigidly separate. And finally, don't be afraid to outsource non-core activities, whether it's household chores or administrative tasks in your business. Your time is valuable. Use it where it counts most. Building a supportive community and self-care. Being a mompreneur can sometimes feel isolating, but you don't have to do it alone. Building a supportive community is vital for your mental health and business growth. Seek out mentors who have walked the path before you, connect with fellow mompreneurs who understand your unique challenges, and lean on your family and friends for support. Remember, it takes a village to raise a child, and often a small army to build a business. And speaking of support, let's talk about self-care. This isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Burnout is a real threat for ambitious mompreneurs. Schedule time for yourself, whether it's a quiet cup of coffee, a walk in nature, or an evening with friends. When you prioritize your well-being, you show up as a better mom, a better entrepreneur, and a better human being. Celebrate your small wins along the way. Every milestone, every successful project, every moment of balance. Acknowledging your progress fuels your motivation. So there you have it, your guide to financial freedom as a mompreneur. It's a journey, not a destination, and every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Pick one area from today's discussion, whether it's refining your niche, setting up a separate business bank account, or simply scheduling 30 minutes of focused work, and take action. Your financial freedom awaits, and you, amazing mompreneur, are more than capable of achieving it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more mompreneur tips, and let me know in the comments below what your biggest takeaway was. What step will you take today towards your financial freedom? I can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep building that incredible life you deserve. Bye for now.